We love to share what we do with others. We like people to be able to, what they perceive as becoming behind the scenes, to see the kinds of work that we do here in the lab. And since it's the 5th anniversary, it was a good opportunity to make sure also our campus partners had a chance to see what was going on. We care for the physical collections of KU libraries, so that is paper-based formats and also audio-visual formats. The point being, we want to make sure that we stabilize and preserve our collections so they can be used by patrons into the future, currently, but also into the future. And so that really is the core mission of what we do, is to make sure that our materials at KU libraries can be accessed by patrons safely. The department, as far as I understand it, officially opened in 1998, and our first conservation lab was in the basement of Watson Library. And we were there for 20 years, and then we moved to Spencer Research Library in 2018. Audiovisual preservation was here in Spencer Library a little bit before that, but was also somewhat, the spaces were renovated in 2018 as well. So it's a good time period to mark, 5 years, that our spaces were upgraded over here and we moved over to this much larger and more functional space.